Summer days can be a blast, but the heat, not so much. Traditional headphones leave you feeling hot and bothered. Introducing the 2-in-1 neck fan headphones, the coolest way to enjoy your music and keep your cool all at once. With a neck fan built right into the headphones, enjoy hands-free cooling whether you're walking, running, or simply relaxing. Sleek, lightweight, and designed for all-day wear. Adjustable fan speed combined with high-quality sound that lets you escape into your favorite tunes.